Most Indian teams are still managing attendance on registers, WhatsApp messages, or expensive biometric machines. It's painful for admins, and honestly, employees hate it too. Attend First changes that. No machines, no registers, just mobile. And it works for every kind of team. This is your admin dashboard. At a glance, who's in, who's late, who's absent, live, right now. Let's start with how employees actually check in, because this is where Attend First is different. The simplest way is a QR code. Your employee opens their camera, scans, and they're marked present. That's it. But here's what makes it powerful. The QR code rotates every 15 seconds, so no one can take a photo and share it. No proxy attendance. Every scan is real. Every scan is live. Employees can also check in via GPS. Their location is captured automatically the moment they check in. And if you want an extra layer of verification, you can make a selfie mandatory. They check in, they take a photo, done. Now, let's look at what the admin sees as a result. Here's the live dashboard. Present count, absent count, late arrivals, all updating in real time. You can see exactly who checked in and when. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Let's look at employee's session. She checked in, but her location is outside the office geofence. Attend First flags it automatically. No manual checking, no chasing employees. The system catches it. You set the geofence radius 50 meters, 100 meters, whatever works for your office. Anyone checking in outside that radius gets flagged. It's that simple. And it's not just check in and check out. Within a session, you can track breaks, tea break, lunch break, and even outside visits like client meetings or bank runs. Every minute of the workday is accounted for. Finally, leaves. An employee applies for casual leave directly from their phone. The admin sees the request instantly, approves it in one click, and the employee is notified immediately. The calendar updates automatically. Setting up Attend First takes just minutes. Add your office location, draw a geofence around it, and you're done. Anyone checking in outside that boundary gets flagged automatically. Onboarding is even simpler. Just share your company joining link. Employees sign up themselves. No manual entry. Configure your shifts, leave types, holidays, all in one place. Now, for hybrid teams, employees can set their home as a verified work location. Your employee drops a pin on her home and sends it for approval. Admin approves in one click. From then on, every check in from that location is automatically marked as verified remote work. Stuck anywhere? Just ask the built in help assistant. Type your question, get step by step guidance instantly. Attend First does what every Indian team needs: attendance, leaves, and holidays. Nothing more, nothing less. Free for up to 5 employees, forever. When you grow, just 499 rupees per employee per year. Register now. You're up in 5 minutes.